If anyone knows One Piece, I need to tell you guys this. So there was a dude during the Water 7 arc who fights with noodles, and the way this motherfucker looked, he looked like he sounded like King Candy. So like, as I was reading the manga, it was his lines, and I'm just like reading it in King Candy's voice, and it's really funny. It's like, how about a taste of my noodle foo? You can't stop me, they're noodles. It was really funny. I was like, whose man's is this? What the f? Who let this guy have it?